Okay, so we can hit all of the major muscle groups that we need to with a foam roller or using a more detailed tool like a lacrosse ball. So where can a massage gun come into play? What do we use a massage gun for?
Yeah, I think
Could we use a massage gun?
A massage gun can be used on really any of those spots that we talked about earlier. Personally, I feel like the massage gun is better for routine maintenance types of things. If you have a painful area, maybe you've been battling through an injury or have an active painful area, I just feel like the percussion is not as beneficial. It tends to be a little less comfortable. I think the lacrosse ball or the foam roller, being able to have kind of longer, more sustained holds or pressures on those muscles, they respond better to that when they're injured, but great tool for preventative maintenance.
Okay, so that leads me into probably my last question is, at what point does an area that you're working on, a tender spot or a niggle, become a concern that you need to reach out for more help?
I think if you've been working on a specific spot for a couple of weeks, you feel like you've been pretty consistent with doing some things to help with that, and it's still lingering around, or if it's impacting your daily life or your training, you're aware of it, and it's been lingering around for a week or 2 weeks, it may be worth getting into and being evaluated by a physical therapist, because the pain may be coming from a different area altogether, or it could mean that you just need some different techniques to help release that muscle.
Okay. So if you live local to the greater Washington County, Maryland area, we cannot more highly recommend Elite Performance Institute. This is where the Run Squad comes when we need physical therapy and an extra hand. If you don't live local, travel.
That's right. Bring it on.
Stay healthy.